Ruby is feeling feelings. We need the wise owl.
Good day, it's me, Ruby. Welcome back to Hat Business, the podcast where hats is more to sit on a nugget.
Today, Ruby and I are out for a walk in the park. Our sunscreen is on. No worries in the world.
It's quiet and peaceful, except for one tiny problem.
Yes, the problem is named Ruby, and she is not quiet or peaceful.
Maybe I got a tiny bit annoyed. My shoelace broke. Maybe I shouted at a tree.
Very relaxing.
Excuse me, Hat. Have you ever tried tying your shoelaces? The mosquito died bumped my face. Ah!
No, but I have floated peacefully on the breeze while you lost your mind over a melted ice cream. It was educational.
And you, my young friend, are having big feelings.
Who said that?
Calm down, Ruby, before you start yelling at the clouds, too.
G'day, I'm Ollie the Powerful Owl. There's nothing wrong with big emotions, little one. It's what you do with them that matters. When I feel big emotions, I do 3 things. First, breathe. Try it now. In through the beak, your nose, and out through the mouth.
Fine. I feel much better, Hat.
Excellent! Now do that 10 more times until your brain stops resembling a bushfire.
Next, find something to ground yourself. Look around. Now name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can feel, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste.
I see a hat, tree, leaves, and butterfly, and cloud. I feel the ground under my feet. My shirt breathes, and hat's fabric.
Don't forget me. I'm important.
I got you, Hat. Anyways, where was I? Oh, right. I heard birds, the wind, and a tree cracking. What can I smell? The leaves, eucalyptus, that smells fresh. What can I taste? Oh, I lost an egg.
Well done. And finally move your body. Stretch, shake it out, or if you're an owl, take a good long flight.
Can I just wriggle my arms like this?
I think that's called doing the chicken dance.
That's funny.
But sure, if it calms you down.
See? Big feelings come and go. And next time you feel like yelling at a tree, try breathing first.
Sorry about that tree.
You should buy it some mulch as an apology.
Yeah, sweet.
Remember, little one, breathe, ground, and move. And if all else fails, find a wise old owl to chat to.
I think I just did. What did we learn today, Hat?
1, big feelings are normal. 2, breathing is better than shouting at trees. And 3, Ollie is very wise.
Wisdom comes from experience and not from panicking when your shoelaces break.
All right. Next time, I'll breathe before I break up my footwear.
Progress.
Thanks for listening. See you next time for Hat Business. Bye-bye.